Get ready now. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Cross your arms in front of your chest. Lift your shoulders up and down. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie face down. Stand on your forearms and your toes. Tighten your abs, clench your glutes, and keep your body straight from head to heels. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Stretch your legs and lift them up and down. Keep them straight. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Sit down on the floor. Extend your arms overhead and bring your hands together while sitting cross-legged. Then bend at the waist to the side. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back, bend your knees with your feet on the ground and shoulder width apart, then lift your upper body by extending your arms forward in between your thighs. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back, bend your knees, keeping your feet on the ground, and extend your arms forward, then lift your chest up and down. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your right side. Lie on your right side and put your left arm over your head, then slowly lift your upper body from the shoulder to the left. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your left side. Lie on your left side and put your right arm over your head, then slowly lift your upper body from the shoulder to the right. 25 seconds. It's almost done.